guys, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Polo Logo. Today I'm going to show you how to use the pictures you took during your wedding to create a video just like the one you've seen and the one you're seeing in my screen. Let's begin. Now we'll start by coming to where the pictures are located by clicking there. Then we just come here and then come and select all of these pictures up to here. Just press shift key and select all of them up to there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is open. Then the pictures will be in my PC. Now I'll start by setting these pictures one by one. I just click this one and it will just insert like that. This is not something to do with the pictures. I'll leave that one. Come and insert this one. If it's inserted, you see it is ticked. Then I'll come and insert this one here, this one here. Now after inserting all of them, you see the other ticks have been inserted. Now what I'm going to do next is very simple. I'm going to click each picture and zoom in and zoom, pan and zoom. I'm going to click every picture and pan and zoom. So I'm going to come here, click here, come to pan and zoom. Then I'll click this one here, I click this one here. So maybe then I'll just preview. Yeah, then I say okay. I'll do that for every picture. So if I come here and play, yeah, I'll go to my second picture like that. Then I'll come again here, pan and zoom. Then I'll pan and zoom. Then I'll double click this one here. Then I'll make sure I click here so that at the end, this is not supposed to be in this picture. And this is the same person. So I'll delete this. Now come here. Click here, come to pan and zoom. Then pan and zoom. Then I'll click here. Then the focus will be here like so. Then I'll preview. Then I'll say okay. Go to the next picture, just like that. I'll come to pan and zoom. Then pan and zoom. Then double click this. Then make sure it's here so that it focuses here. Then if I preview, then I say okay. Do that for the next picture. Now, when you're panning and zoom, make sure you select the picture, come to crop, then come to pan and zoom, then make sure you double click this, then you come and focus where you want, then you preview here, then you just say okay. Now after panning and zooming, the next thing I'm going to do, you realize there's this black space in some pictures, so I don't want it to look so awkward. What I'm going to do, I'm going to the effects here. Then after going to the effects here, I'm going to choose these filters. Then it will bring me with this basic black filter. I'll just come and drop it here and spread it from end to end so that it covers for me those black spots that look so unprofessional. Now after that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert transition, and I'm going to do a appropriate transition for this one. So I'll come to transitions here. Then I'm going to choose this called heart under my favorites. I already sample it and I put it under my favorites. So I just come and do it. So I just start here. I just put here. I just click where I want to start. Then it will just go. Okay, I just put it like that to the end. Drag it and insert. Yeah, after putting transition from end to end, maybe click this. Now after putting transition from end to end, if I play, you see how it will be. Let me look at a preview. You see it's coming out to love like so. Then again like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert audio or music. So I just come to audio here, then I'm going to choose my music. There's a music that I already have put in my library. So I'm going to choose my music, and the music I'm going to choose is called Upon. So I'm going to use that one. Let me look for it. I'm going to drag it here. Then if I just play it like so, I think you can listen now it's blending well, like that. Now after that, I'm going to cut this music here like so. I'm going to cut it somewhere here so that it doesn't exceed. So I'm going to cut this one, then delete this part. Now there's something that is remaining. uh, okay, this one I have to extend because it's cut also. So there's something that is remaining is this. So I'm going to put an intro. So I'll select all of these and drag them maybe up there. Then I'm going to look for an intro that I'm going to insert here. So going to come titles. Then I'm going to look for openers. Then maybe if I choose this one here, then I insert maybe here. So if I play Jack with Mary, but maybe fix it here like so. Then select all of this except this one here. Then I'll just put it like so. So maybe I'll see Jack's and Mary wedding. So to be like that. So I'll just minimize this one like so, so that it starts here like that. Maybe if I come here and change the letters, then maybe I change this one to welcome, welcome, like so. Then I say okay. Then I make it big. Let me double click it, select it, maybe make it into 64. Maybe 64 is not that big, the Android. Yeah. So I think Jack and Mary, just leave it at that. I don't want to change it. Just leave it at that. Then I'll just play. Now after that, we just leave it at that. Maybe we can end by going to openers, insert. Maybe again, I'll just duplicate this and put it here. Then I'll just come here. Then change the words. Maybe thanks for watching. Then I just say okay. Then I'll minimize it. I'll also extend the audio so that it reaches this part. And also the audio at this end, I want to go it by slow by ending, so I'll pull this one here. So that is that. So guys, that's how to make a simple wedding by pictures, using your pictures to make a video for your wedding. So maybe also extend this one here, maybe extend it here, and also extend it here like so. So that's how to create a wedding with the pictures. Start like that. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export. Now guys, that's how to make a simple wedding video using your pictures. Now guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos. Just go to the description section, you'll find more links to my other tutorials to do with Filmora. For now, just take care of yourself and have a nice day. Thank you.